Many people have died due to the continuous rainy weather in Sri Lanka. The Central Bureau of Disaster Management has announced that relief work for the people affected by the rains will continue. The 1,671 people affected by the rains are being housed in shelters. Security centers have been set up in Matale, Nuwara Badula and Kalyutara districts. 17 districts have been affected by the inclement weather. 17 people were killed. So far, one person is missing. As well as 5 people were injured. 18 properties were completely damaged and 960 properties were partially damaged. So far, 23,618 people have been affected by the rains.